What's up, cuties? Today I will be showing y'all how to make $330 on a nice little Friday. Let's get into it.
Alright guys, so first things first, we're gonna go to gold because we only took trades on gold today or Friday. Yeah, I mean, it was a good day. I really think I improved this day. I actually learned a lot. Going on to the 5 minute here, we had this huge 5 minute white candle, which is a bullish candle, right? We close above our level line, and then we come down dip, and then close less bearish than it was, and then come up, close more even higher than we closed on both of these, showing we're gonna go higher. So I obviously knew, okay, look for longs, right? I go on the 1 minute after I see this close on this 5 minute. So we go to the 1 minute, right? And we look for the first two down candles we see, and we see three down candles, right? And that was on the 5 minute, like it closed up here though, right? So came down, that was the 5 minute, and then came back up, closed on the 5 minute right here. Saw that, entered on the 1 minute right here, came down, didn't stop us out, almost stopped us out, came back up. I thought, ooh, we got life right here, right? Like we're gonna go higher, and then came back down in three candles, stopped me out pretty perfectly, and then from that you can see it instantly went to TP even higher. I could have, okay, my bad. I could have targeted like up to like a 1 point or 6.8 RR trade. You know, it's all cool. I was going with the less high trade, like it was like gonna be a 3.5 RR trade, right? But that was the first trade we had on the day. Alrighty. For the second trade, we had a nice little long again. So I got stopped out right here, but then it came back up and closed above this previous high we had. And we had another little reversal, and I saw this, so I entered kind of how I would on the first trade, similarly. And this one hurt. I can't lie. This one really hurt. This was a 4 RR trade. Came up. We wicked out this level or line right here that I'm pointing at, right? And when we went up to this line and tapped that, I put my stop to break even because we're already halfway above. So we're already at a 2 RR at that point. So I'm putting my stop to break even. And also there's a fair value gap here. I doubt we come down and fill this at all, right? Like if we do, we're not going to come all the way through the fair value gap is what I'm thinking. Comes down, fills the fair value gap, touches my break even stop, takes it by 2 ticks, and then instantly 4 candles later we're just at TP, right? So this was a tragic trade, but like honestly I didn't lose anything on it, so I'm not mad. But yeah, good to know my biases, right? Though it's always good to know. If y'all don't believe in this strategy, look right here. The only reason I didn't make 800 potential dollars on this trade was because I got stopped at a break even. So don't sweat it though. As you can clearly see in this next trade, we hit a little win. Alright, so for our third trade of the day, our final trade, you know I couldn't let them disrespect me like that, right? So I saw this setup, it came down, waked out this like main level I had, that I knew was gonna reverse at, and once I saw it start forming to the downside, I knew this was a reversal from the big up move we just had, right? So this is like, for how long I've been trading, this is just like a gimme type of trade. Like I'd probably bet like my left nut, like this is gonna hit, right? Like I'm so confident in this, so that's what I did, right? I took the trade. I usually don't want to take more than 3 trades, so I knew this was my last trade of the day. So we saw in the 5 minute what happened. I gotta go on the 1 minute now and scroll all the way to Narnia. Alright, so right, we came down, closed below this level on the 1 minute. I saw that. Or well, no, I didn't actually see that yet. But we had our two retracement candles and then some displacement down. I wanted to get a good stop loss on this, so I entered right here before this candle. And if I entered at this candle, I still would have won clearly, but um, I didn't target too much risk to reward on this one because obviously the 4 RR 2 trades I just went for, I just lost. So I was going for a 2 RR 2.2 on this one, and 3 candles from my entry it hit. So that was what made us $330 today. Stayed consistent with our strategy. Didn't get triggered when we lost. The most important thing I can stress you guys is don't let worry more about not losing than worrying about winning, because winning comes with not losing. So that's all I really have for you guys today. I'm getting my new webcam in the mail sometime in the next hour, probably, or tomorrow morning. So I'll have it by the next video. So this is the last time on the crappy webcam. I'm glad you guys could get through it with me. We're gonna start making upgrades around here and start improving, and hopefully whoever's watching and trying to learn the strategy kind of gets what's going on. Whoever made it this far, I want to just say appreciate you guys. Really means a lot. The support, all that. Whoever you are, just keep grinding, keep striving towards your goals, and I promise you guys, you will get there. You will get there. Just keep going. New video will be out tomorrow with the new webcam, and I'll see you guys then. All right. Stay safe.